Imagine cruising down the French Riviera in absolute silence. The sun is melting into the Mediterranean, and your motorhome glides like a yacht over tarmac. Not just any motorhome, though. You're in a Rolls-Royce. That's right, Rolls-Royce has officially entered the motorhome world, and everything you think you know about luxury RVs is about to be rewritten. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a floating 5-star hotel on wheels. From the outside, it demands attention. The front grille, unmistakably Rolls-Royce, stands proud, upright, and imposing. The spirit of ecstasy leads the way as if guiding a chariot of the gods. It's clad in polished chrome and titanium, perched on a hand-sculpted hood that flows seamlessly into the extended touring body. The paint? A bespoke two-tone finish that changes hue with the sun's angle, crafted in a process that takes nearly a week to complete. With custom 26-inch alloy wheels wrapped in quiet-run tires, it doesn't roll down the road. It floats. But the exterior is only the first layer of the experience. Touch a discreet sensor and the massive side door slides open silently, revealing a hidden step lined with crushed velvet and ambient lights. As you step inside, you're not greeted by plastic or fake wood. No, this is where the true magic begins. The floor is engineered hardwood inlaid with real mother-of-pearl detailing. The walls are wrapped in hand-stitched leather imported from the same Scottish hides used in Rolls-Royce limousines. Overhead, a Starlight ceiling twinkles with thousands of fiber-optic lights, mimicking the constellations of any date and location you choose, be it the night you were born or the evening you proposed. The front cabin is an art gallery in itself. The dashboard blends polished walnut, crystal dials, and a digital interface so seamless, it looks like it was designed for an interstellar spacecraft. Every control responds with the soft, deliberate feedback that can only come from bespoke craftsmanship. Behind the driver and passenger seats, each of which can swivel and recline with heated, cooled, and massage functions, lies the main salon. Here, Rolls-Royce has partnered with luxury yacht designers to create an open-plan lounge area. Think ultra-soft mohair sofas that convert into zero-gravity loungers. Every seat is climate-controlled. The windows are electrochromic. With the touch of a button, they go from clear to opaque to a soothing tint. You can dim the lights, adjust the fragrance in the air, and select from over 200 curated playlists designed by British composers to match your current landscape, be it a drive through the Alps or parked in the Mojave Desert.